Yeah, still 10th of March. Something I forgot. It's pretty sky now, but we had a series of real powerful storms blow through last night, starting at about 3 in the morning. Of course, I was up. And yesterday I painted this south-facing block wall. I think I might have messed up, but paint dried enough where it was not damaged by the rain. Got lucky. And now the paint looks a whole lot better. Before, there's not a lot I can do without spraying it where these mason joints are sunk in, unless I go back with a brush and do each one individually, which I'll probably end up doing at some point. You all know me. The nice thing, like I said, is pretty powerful rainstorms and thunder, but the building is perfectly dry. So this is the third verification that my building is now leak free, top to the bottom of the walls. Really happy about that. This is that area that mysterious leak just kept showing up. Bone dry. Has not had time to dry during the day today, so if water came in the building it would still be here. And there is nothing anywhere. So happy about that. And on this old blade I took off the bandsaw, just FYI. Now I got a whole pile of straight edges. The back side of the blade is perfectly straight, and the little straight edge come in handy for sorting stuff. Now I got a whole pile of them. I didn't cut any real long ones because I got my 6-foot straight edge hanging on the wall over here. But those little short ones will come in handy. They always do. But yep, all good. Ordered went ahead and got a metal small parts bin to go on top of my good bolt bin here, and also got a brass grinding or brass wheel for a 6-inch bench grinder coming. I got the buffing wheel on this side, and I don't know what happened to that one. This was in my garage for a long time. I don't know what happened to the wheel on this side, but it's not here anymore. So we ain't got a brass wheel coming. Brass wire wheel. I've got these box of cutting tips here I need to clean up. This is part of the surplus stuff I bought, and they need to get cleaned up. Put them away. And what else? Actually, that's about it. And my bandsaw, I'm happy. It did not let me down. Just I got the wrong tooth per inch count on the blade. But once I get the right blade, she's going to be a champ. And, going over the cost of it. Repairs were, I would consider, minor. I changed the oil in the transmission box. Changed the oil in the air compressor. It's got a cleanable intake filter on the air compressor. Disassemble and clean it real good. The most expensive part of it was running wire from the breaker panel over here behind my head across the ceiling over to the machine. Then the cost associated with the twist lock receptacle and cord end, and rebuilding the starter control so it works off the start and stop button. All said and done, I'm still at a pretty good price point. The comps for this machine, not including freight, is anywhere from $1,495 asking up to $3,495, and I've yet to find one that has the complete power feed assembly on the machine. I've seen several that have partial, just like I have, but I've seen nothing with the complete power feed assembly, because there's too many small parts and cables and rollers and such that get lost. So apparently they all got lost over the decades. So I'm at, like I said, a real good price point. Machine's up and running, so I did not get hurt on the purchase price and everything associated with getting it running again, which that's always good. So next big project is still looking for a mill. I don't know what the hell the problem is. I've never had this kind of difficulty buying a machine before in my life, and I simply cannot find a decent mill used or a new mill that's available from a seller that's not lying through their damn teeth. But like I said, I'm a somewhat patient man, so I'll find one sooner or later. That's all for this one. That's going to be all for today too. Hang it.